So I'm gonna try and film, but the camera's on my helmet because I've got so much shit in my hands I can't fucking detach it and hold it on its own. But yeah, here we go, on the way to pick up my first bike. I'll leave it for a surprise when we get there. You can see what it is. Actually, you already know by now because of the title, but oh well, I'll still leave it a little surprise. I won't be able to get too much footage either because the mic adapter didn't come in time, so I won't be able to speak while I'm driving. I'll get a few clips. Where is this fucking place now? I'm here to collect the bike.
Yeah, just go down to the reception. There's a bell on there. You ring that, somebody will come out and see you.
Yeah, sweet. Cheers, man. Shit, this is mad. Right, well, I'm in way over my head right now. If I die, then I die. I'm just gonna take it nice and careful, nice and slow. Let's fucking do this. This is long. fucking sick. Oh shit. Alright, so I couldn't get much footage yesterday because I thought audio didn't work because I don't have the mic adapter, and the audio actually was alright in places where I did speak. Still letting the bike warm up now. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna practice driving slowly around this car park, because this fucking bike is hard work. If you're new to riding and you want to get a super sport as your first bike, a ZX6R or a R6, anything like that, I assume they're the same as this, but yeah, they're completely different to the bikes you ride on your test and learn to maneuver on. They're a lot I find it a lot harder. It feels like I'm stepping on the bike for the first time again, but it's real good fun, and I want to practice these slow maneuvers, but I'm fucking shitting my pants about dropping it. But yeah, I've got fucking 2 hours and 45 minutes to drive home. Yesterday I got caught in bad weather, so I thought I'd check into a hotel just to be safe, because I ain't got experience in that. And yeah, today ain't so great, but it's better than being dark and in rush hour and there be snow everywhere on the road and ice warnings. Today ain't so bad. But yeah, let me jump on here and I'll get a bit of footage. Alright, let's try go for a slow cruise then.